Power on, HUD, audio mic check.
Check. HUD D good, loud and clear. Straps cinched.
Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how these $400,000 pilot helmets are made, step by step.
Every $400,000 helmet begins as a precise digital model, tailored to the unique anatomy of a single pilot.
High-performance carbon and aramid prepregs are stored at low temperature to preserve their precise curing properties.
Layer placement confirmed. Use the roller tool to smooth the edges. Sequence complete.
Visors are molded from optical-grade polymers, requiring extreme precision to avoid distortion. Advanced PCBs host motion sensors, processors, and communication electronics inside the helmet. Diagnostics complete on helmets 1 through 6. Helmet 7 has failed burn-in, flagging for immediate rework. Custom liners use layered foams and gels tuned to absorb impact while maintaining comfort on long sorties.
The skin response looks good. Are you experiencing any hot spots or discomfort? I'll adjust the liner tension now.
In the final assembly cell, shells, optics, electronics, and liners come together into a single integrated system. Helmets endure repeated thermal cycles, from cockpit heat to sub-zero conditions at altitude.
Look at the results for helmet 1005. Vibration stabilized.
Does that confirm the full pass?
It does. We are ready for production.
In dedicated fitting suites, each pilot is matched with their personalized helmet.
Let's get this strap adjusted for a secure fit.
Okay.
And the padding balanced front to rear. How does that feel now?
Much better, thank you. All right, hold steady. Aligning the primary axis now. Stand by for synchronization. Locked. Calibration complete.
Check, check.
Checks complete. Requesting clearance. Delta 721, cleared for takeoff runway 29er. Wind calm.
The pressure points on the temples are significant after extended use, and the heat buildup is noticeable.
Understood.
Feeling at the source.
Before leaving the factory, each helmet undergoes a rigorous final inspection against aerospace standards. The environmental tests look good. Humidity and temperature cycling are well within limits.
Agreed. And the EMI/EMC results confirm compliance.
All pallets for air bases and training centers must be scanned before 1700. After months of design, fabrication, and testing, the $400,000 helmets depart the factory, ready for frontline service. At the squadron level, helmets are received, verified, and integrated into local inventory and maintenance schedules.
Power on, HUD, audio mic check.
Check. HUD D good, loud and clear. Strap cinched.
Talon, tracking your left flank now. Copy that, maintaining speed and altitude. Viper 2-1, systems check complete, switching to NVGs now, all green.
The abrasion on the chin bar is significant here.
Yes, but the internal structure remains sound. We can definitely recycle the core materials.
And that's how $400,000 pilot helmets are made, from custom digital design to battle-ready, mission-critical gear.